Hi, EDL 512 classmates. I'm Amy Daigle, and I wanted to talk on behalf of religion and student expression. So, in reading this setup, there are a couple of things that I find super fascinating about how to make the decision. So, for one, I think one of the biggest parameters on this is that the assignment itself did not make a specification on things that they could or could not use. And I think that that's the fine line that we would walk in this scenario. But the first part being about um, reading a biblical story. If the assignment is aligned to have some sort of ethical background, or if it's an assignment that I think it said uh, just to read a story of student choice, if that's the only parameters that the assignment set, then a student should be allowed to read a story from whatever book they so choose. That being said, because it is a Bible and connected to the Christian faith, I would think that the offer to allow students to step out of the room would be a fair assessment to make. I also think that the poster, again, the assignment didn't specify whether they could or could not choose religious and backgrounds, and it was based on what they were thankful for. And so I think that, again, we would be squashing a student's freedom of expression to make that poster and to put it up equally with anyone else's. So while you don't want to be recognized as having supported one religion over the other, you don't want to be put down for having dismissed one religion over another. So I think that in discussing this, it's a matter of talking to the staff about setting more parameters if you don't want to do that. I also think that if a student chose to make a poster that had the religious background and the teacher didn't feel comfortable posting it, then maybe the point is not to post that assignment at all and maybe go with another assignment a little later in the semester to do your bulletin board or whatnot from. So I've enjoyed reading your posts about this one, and it seems